Hi everyone, want to level up your conversations with Claude AI? Claude AI is not just smart, it's a next level. Here's how to unlock its full power. Let's get started. First, give Claude a clear rules and context. To make your conversation smarter, set the stage like this. You are a business strategist, help me analyze this data, or act as a debate partner and challenge my opinion in this topic. Then the cloud instantly adapts to your setups and responds with context aware insights. Then you can also ask open ended, thought provoking questions. Don't just ask basic stuff, dig deeper. Like this example here. The Claude is designed to reason, not just respond. Use it like a brainstorming partner. Then you can keep the dialogue going. Claude remembers the flow of the conversation. You can always follow up like, can you expand this point? What would be an example in real life? And then it's like talking to someone who actually listens and thinks. You can also challenge it politely. Test the Claude's reasoning by pushing back. Try, I don't agree. Can you take another way to look at it? Or it sounds biased. Can you make it more neutral? Then it helps the Claude to sharpen the responses and give you a better insight. Also, you can use it for practice and coaching, whether you're preparing for interview, meetings, or public speaking. Claude becomes a smart coach tailored to your goals. So, with a smarter prompts and deeper engagement, Claude becomes more than just an AI. It's your thinking partner, coach, and creative collaborator. Try it today and see how next level your conversations can be. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.